Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another maternity Shein haul, just because since like the first one that I did, if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. The first one that I did, I really enjoyed all the pieces I got from their maternity line. So I did pick up a few more pieces, so if you would like to see this part 2 of that maternity Shein haul, just keep watching. So this is the first outfit, and the skirt is from their maternity line, but the t-shirt it's from their regular line. I just got it in a large, even though it looks like a small, and I thought it would fit a little bit bigger, but it works. I mean, as long as it goes over the girls, it works, because this is the way I was planning on wearing it either way, so it just works. And it says living my best life. So this is how it looks, and I'll show you right now how it looks without being tied up, so you can see how far it goes. And then this one, the skirt, is from the maternity line, because it has the ruching on the side, even though you really can't see it on the screen because it's black. But I really like it because it's really thin. It's actually like the pink skirt I showed in my first maternity haul. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it so you see what skirt I'm talking about. That one's pink and this one's in black. I went ahead and ordered the same one just because I was really comfortable with that pink one. So I mean, black, you can't go wrong with black. You could pair anything with black. So I thought this looked pretty cute together. But this is actually how the t-shirt fits. Go ahead and take the rubber band off so you can see how it fits. But like I said, this one is a large, so I mean it does go over my belly, but of course it's like really fitted on my belly now. So this is how it looks, and yeah, I really do like it though. The material is really comfortable. And also I will link everything down below, just in case I do tell you the size of something wrong, but I'm pretty sure this one's a large. But I'll go ahead and link down everything down below, so, and also the sizes that I got for reference, if you would like to check them out. And before we jump into the next outfit, I will show you a top that I want to try on with this skirt, so you will be able to see it. And it's this really pretty top that I really actually like a lot more than I thought I would. But I mean, you'll see when I try it on. But it does have that ruching here. Like you could pull on this and make it as short or as long as you want, I guess, depending on how much skin you want to show. Okay, so this is how that top looks, and honestly, this is such a pretty top. Like, I did not expect to like it as much as I like it. It's really pretty, but I think what's doing it for me is the sleeves. I just think it looks really pretty. But like I said, from here, it has this, so you could take it off. I mean, undo the little bow and just like scrunch it up more to make it smaller, obviously, from here, or longer if you like. But it's really pretty. But I do have to say it's see-through. I don't know if you can see my bra, but it is see-through. I mean, but it really doesn't bother me, because with this heat, I really don't want any thick layers on me. It's really hot, so this is just perfect. I don't mind it. It's really nice and cute. And besides that, I mean, it's white. You could pair it with anything and it'll look really cute. But anyways, for my next one, and I think I want to say it's a medium, but I could have gotten it in a large. But like I said, everything will be linked down below, so just go ahead and check that out. And then for the next one I got a 2-piece set. So we'll see how this one looks, because I've never worn, I don't think I've ever worn a 2-piece set, even though like so many girls like really love the 2-piece sets. Like, I've never tried one even before I was pregnant, so I don't know. I just saw it on the website, on like with the bump, and it looks so cute. I'm like, I'll try that. So I got it's navy blue. I don't know if you can see it. It's navy blue. The skirt's navy blue, and the skirt has a little slit in the back, bottom part. And this, yeah, has a little slit in the back, and we'll see we'll see how it fits in. I got it in a large. This one's a large with the skirt, so go ahead and put this on. This is the navy blue two-piece set. The navy blue two-piece set, and it's really cute. I actually like it more than I thought I would like it. I do have to say though, the shirt is super short, like it barely covers my bra. But I mean, I guess it would make sense because the skirt is really high up. But you guys see how cute this looks? I really like it. And it's super stretchy from here also. Super stretchy. So it's a comfortable feel. And then the skirt, it goes past my knees. It goes past my knees, and there's the slit in the back. And it actually fits pretty good. I think I could have gone away with the medium, but I didn't want to risk it, and I got it in a large just because I think my belly's still gonna grow. I don't know, guys. I've never been pregnant before, so just in case I didn't want to risk it, so I got it in a large. But it's because it's a little loose from the bottom, but I think in a way it works because with me, whenever I've gotten bodycon skirts or like bodycon dresses that usually fit below your knee, they would usually, I can't walk in those because they're so tight from the bottom. I can't walk in those. I don't know what some women doing, but I usually have to get them altered because I can't walk in those. But this one is really comfortable, and I just think it's because I got it in a large, because I think a medium would have been a little more fitted from the bottom. I just want to say I think it's because I sized up. So I think it's depending how you want it to fit you. You either size up or size down, but it's really cute. I really like it. And I think also the little slit in the back helps, so I'm able to move better. So I don't think I'm doing anything to this skirt because this skirt is perfect. The whole set is so cute. I love it. It's really cute. And so, well, the next one, this dress. This is a dress. It's a tie-dye dress, and I believe this is called 𝐂𝐿 dress. I don't know. I think it's called 𝐂𝐿. If it's not, go ahead and let me know in the comments what it's called, because yeah. But it's a tie-dye dress, and I think this is like my 4th tie-dye dress. I don't know what's up with me in tie-dye, but I've never liked tie-dye this much before. And ever since I got pregnant, it's like I find myself reaching for tie-dye dresses for some weird reason. I don't know what it is, but I just thought this one looked really cute, so I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, this is the next dress. And before we get into this one, I do want to say the white top with the ruching, that one is not from the maternity line. That one's from the regular line. And the navy blue set, that one is from the maternity line. So now with this dress, this one is from the maternity line as well, because it does have that ruching right here on the side to accommodate the growing belly. So it does have that on the side, and it has this hanging neck, which I thought this looks so cute and sexy. Okay, just because you're pregnant doesn't mean you can't look sexy, okay? I thought this dress did that, and it just looks really cute. And it does hit me a little bit over the knee, a little bit over my knee. So it's not super short. I think it's a good length, and it looks cute. And I think this was like a perfect dress, like for a night out, especially right now because it's really hot. And I like the straps too. It's so cute. I really like this one. It's pretty. And well, that is it. And it's also really comfortable. The material it's super thin. It's not I would say it doesn't look like it's see-through, but the material is pretty thin and comfortable. So yeah, on to the next one. And I believe this one's the last one, you guys. This dress is the last one. And also this dress is in the material, the way it feels, it's very similar to that brown one that I showed in my other maternity haul. Like I said, if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out, because there's a brown one that the material, it just feels very similar to that one. In that one, I did say it's a small and it could fit me throughout my whole pregnancy because it stretches a lot. This one's the same thing. It stretches a lot. I don't even know why I got it in a large. I think it's a large. Yeah, it's a large, but I think I could have gotten away with a medium in this one. Even a small probably because it stretches a lot. But you'll see, and it also has, no, this one has a slit on the side of the leg, and I think it's only one. Yeah, it only has one slit on the side, and it has like 2 straps. So just a really simple dress, but I'll go ahead and try it on so you can see how it looks. Well, this is the last outfit. It's a bodycon dress, and it has these little cute straps, 2 of them, which I think it gives it just a little something different, you know, than your regular spaghetti strap dress. I think it looks really cute. It's a mauve pink. I don't know if you can see it on the camera that well, but it is like a mauve pink dress, so it's really cute. And it is from the maternity line, so it has the ruching on the side here to accommodate your growing belly. So it does have that ruching, and then it goes also past my knee. So I would say it's a really comfortable bodycon dress because I'm able to move in it, especially with the slit right here. And it only has it on one side, it only has it on the left. And I believe this one's in a large. I think I could have gone away with the small or a medium because look how much it stretches. It stretches so much. Even from here, it stretches so much. It's like, it's really, really comfortable. And it's a fresh material because it's not cotton. I don't know exactly what material this is, but it feels really fresh, and I really, really like the material. Okay guys, and that is it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the second part of my SHEIN maternity haul, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions regarding this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.